Now, here we are, Mount George. Look at that. Let's get a shot of this mountain over here.
That's George.
That's George. Now here we are at Mount George, Christmas tree factory. Now what we are going to do, oh, by the way, we came here because of tradition, and this is the weekend after Thanksgiving because of tradition.
And we like tradition.
And we like tradition, exactly. These are our
There's our 2 tree cutters.
Get this. right in close.
When you film right here, you'll see that this thing was originally used in Mount St. George in 1973.
Wow. And
Mount
there's
George,
Denise,
not St.
Now get a
George.
shot of
supervisor to choose her tree.
Yes, no gloves. I have clean pants.
There's an example
And
of what
shoes
we'll
with
be
holes in
looking
them,
like
so no
shortly.
wet ground.
like that.
One of these.
Don't let the scale of this tree
Oh, I need the keys from Dylan's
affect you.
pocket.
It's large. You have a shadow of Mount George in the background. Mount George is moving.
Mount George is Michelle. Thanks a lot.
Wow, that must have been a cloud that just passed over this tree. And now we're gonna pan up this way.
Dylan, you need to get Michelle in her tummy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we don't have
Look at that. Wow, amazing. That was awesome. You like that example of it. Okay, now what has happened is
We're now visiting the old barrel house.
are we as close to the truck as we had hoped?
No, we're quite far away.
Holy mackerel.
With some hot water and some hot spiced tea. Anybody care for some?
How much is it gonna cost?
$9.50.
Tim likes to get those prices on camera.
Wow.
You used to film for Shop Cable Value Network.
Look at that. Oh, that's splendid. Wait.
A bark?
This is
Film the reef. That's that these high school kids are growing, and I guess then they start smoking it, and they all just start turning into mutants.
Gross. Where'd you see this?
Sounded like a
Wild.
disgusting movie.
Oh, it was. I thought of Dylan through the whole thing, the beginning to end. Okay.
You know, that's where we used to cut trees.
Supposed to be a nice
Dylan!
film for Christmas tree cutting, not some bizarre thing.
Wait, you have to stay still. What's this supposed to be?
This is supposed to be a nice Christmas tree cutting film.
Oh, I don't get it.
I'm gonna get you. Did you get this nice barrel house over here? Yeah, I could live in there.
Yeah.
Had a window.
Film all these tiny trees.
I can't decide.
Makes you feel big. Looking down upon them. This one is $31.
Which one is that?
I understand you used to be filming. You used to film for the Price Value Network TV station.
That
does
must
nothing
have
but
been
sell
it.
things,
That must have been where I got all
which
these.
is why you always feel you should quote the price. This has some pretty bad eyes.
Really?
Please keep that in mind.
See, baby?
Ah,
Almost 5 months.
Almost. How about an exact number? It's not very mathematical.
Okay, when we went to the doctor, we were at 20 and a half weeks, and that was on the 16th of November.
So plus a few weeks.
21 weeks?
look at that
Was it
evil eye.
Okay, we are here for Christmas tree chopping. Let it be on the record.
Right.
On the side there is a button. It should probably be down when you're in the out.
Peppers are nice. They are just generally quite a bit more expensive.
So thick.
Yeah.
No, they're not.
That's a nice one right there that's not
Right, stop,
tagged.
Steve. Write that one right there.
No, actually right there.
So here,
Yeah, that's it.
that's the one. I
Yeah.
know my wife. Do I know my wife?
Never. Some of the questions are so unbelievable too.
Do you know answers?
No.
Get you in trouble.
Wow. Yeah, it's true.
Sorry, what I've
It's
heard about
shiny
your
right now 'cause
movies.
it just came out of the shower.
After what I've heard about your movies, I don't know if I want to see myself on film.
Throat.
That sounds pretty
Imagine what he pulls out.
good. Heart?
Everything.
About where the bathroom is. Do people always not tie their shoes?
Do people not always tie their shoes?
Always.
Yep, always.
Hey, here are my shoes.
Uh,
Yours are tied, so you're on cool. Some bows are wrong. Find
Whoops.
Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Whoa, ferocious.
The other guy says, how about me?
Yeah.
God, did you hear those sheep?
You're right there.
Where? They have the wool.
Dylan can start on one side.
Wool. So after a rain, they smell like wet wool. That's why they have that. Makes sense. Makes sense. Forward.
Okay, ready? Hold still for a second. Oh dear. I think we're on our way.
On our way to show what Michelle wants to do.
What Michelle wants for Christmas.
House.
And you can hand make them. It's just a matter of cutting. You could hold these while I show.
Those are Michelle's feet.
Going to the restroom. Oh, hi, puppy. Hello.
There's Dolly.
Hi, babies.
Wow, it's trained.
Oh, yeah. Did Dylan film the cow so we
Dylan, did you film the cow?
No.
Better.
Yes.
Oh, you're out of focus, dog. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Bye.
Yep.
So what do you think about that?
I think it's not an easy job to do.
Oh, not.
I'll try and warn you if we come across any big stumps that you might trip over, okay?
Oh, I'm kind of
Because I'm
watching the
good for
ground
you.
as well.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're more talented than even
See, I've
we
got
suspected.
both eyes open.
Yeah.
That's because I can see the ground.
What about, can you see up
Not
in
really.
the sights?
I could just, not really see the ground. I can just kind of see that I'm on the path.
Look at the other dogs snoozing on the door.
Ready?
There's some nice little beds everywhere.
Yeah.
Do you walk and talk and film? Oh, don't you do some fast and wide ones again?
Just a little sweetie. Yeah.
From your little muscles. Yes. He's gonna capture the moment.
Moments.
Moments.
Really?
More than one.
Thank you.
Come here, pup.
Oh, that's yummy.
That's
Oh, that's sufficient for
Hi,
me. thank
Dolly.
you.
Little
Eat and eat
Thanksgiving
now.
treats.
Labs just love to eat. Oh, I think they all do.
Too much turkey, huh?
Yeah.
It's like I'll sit down
She
and
had
rest.
homemade
that was
potato
tiring,
soup,
huh?
all kinds of things yesterday.
Lucky dog.
Intent and purpose.
But what is it time for?
It's time to find a tree.
A
And
tree.
for Dylan to carve and chop and chop and chop.
All right. Well, I think it's time.
It's
for
time
Dylan
for
to
some work. Put the man at work.
We have cruised the land and we have found that this is the area we
You're
now
making
need
me
to
dizzy,
explore.
Dylan.
Dizzy schmizzy.
I'm so dizzy, my head is spinning.
Blow net as opposed to a red net. For sale.
Where?
Yeah, there it is. Okay, we got it.
Dylan, you are something else.
$10.
Anything will fit in your mom and dad's house.
What do you think of it, Steve?
When I was 16, looking a scrawny. You think it's too tall? $16 for this beauty. Curved like you've never seen before.
Woo! What do you think of it? Gee, I don't know. What was that? Must have been a fly. Wow. God, these trees look so big now. Look how tall they are compared to me. Here, this is like a normal sized one. Well, let's just go around it. Steve, how'd you get so tall? Wow. You
These
guys
are the giant redwoods. Huh?
Wow.
Dylan filming the giant redwoods of Eureka.
That's
what do you
impressive.
think of this tree, Dylan?
Gee, I don't know.
I
Well,
like
come
it.
on.
It has character.
Yeah.
You want the ornaments to be able to see and be seen.
You guys don't have to decorate it and do everything. You just pick them.
Who plants this?
You show up in the funniest places, Mr. Doctor. Hi.
I.
What green plant?
Beside the couch. You're getting my ear now? Good thing
I
I
can't.
used my Q-tip this morning.
Yeah, it is. I can't quite get it in focus.
No.
There it goes.
Really, we'll have to make a note on the cover.
Dylan's Christmas filming.